morning at the Melbourne International Flower and Garden Show. It opens tomorrow, so everything is still really busy being set up today. We're going to take you for a little tour, a sneak peek, the first look at what everyone can expect at the 2023 Melbourne International Flower and Garden Show.
Thanks so much.
No worries.
Right now, organisers are putting on the finishing touches ahead of what will be the biggest international flower and garden show. Christy Cooper caught up with the event director Marcus Gale for an exclusive sneak peek.
The Royal Exhibition Building and Carlton Gardens have been transformed into a wonderland for the Melbourne International Flower and Garden Show, which gets underway tomorrow. I'm joined now by Marcus Gale, who is the event director. Marcus, what can people expect tomorrow?
Well, we open tomorrow and it's really exciting. So I think we're going to see over 50 different garden displays, all from border gardens, which is entry-level gardens, all the way up to the great show gardens that we see here every other year. So it's fantastic. Inside the hall, we've got some great displays here. There are over 30 in total, which is just fantastic.
I understand you're expecting over 100,000 people. Are they mostly locals, or do people travel from far and wide to get here?
Yeah, no, we have people come in from out of state, international, and that's great to have that back after COVID. This is the first year we'll see a lot more travel and tourism back in for the show. So we get about 20% coming in from regional Victoria, but up to 15% from out of state as well. So there's a lot of locals, but a lot of people from around the country.
In terms of people's behaviour and the number of people who have a love of gardening, how has that changed over the last few years?
It's certainly grown. There's no two ways about it. I think the legacy of COVID, one of the positive parts of it all for this particular industry is that it's certainly grown. The people's passion for their own spaces, their garden spaces, has been a wonderful effect on this particular show, and you can see that with the amount of gardens and floral displays that we have here. So we expect a big crowd to come out to the event.
You can see today, just by the hive of activity, how much effort goes into pulling this together. How do you feel looking around and seeing all these stunning displays and floral designs?
Satisfied. I mean, that's probably the number one word, and proud too, because not just from what our team does to bring this together, but this is an event for an industry, an entire industry, and there's not too many events that show up the way this industry does. So, it's really proud to see everyone getting involved and all the effort that goes into it, and we just love to see all of the people that come out and really just love it and appreciate all the work that goes into it.
Thank you so much for your time, Marcus. We've just been given an exclusive tour of the grounds, and we will have all the details tonight in 7 News at 6.